got something really cool to show you today. So, it's been a long time since I've done a video that had anything to do with this stuff, right? For the most part, I'm not really supposed to make videos with this stuff. YouTube, I just want to go ahead and point out this. This is not a loaded gun, okay? This is not a loaded gun. There's no shooting in this video. This is simply a video about a holster. So, now that we got that out of the way, still empty, I want to talk a little bit about this cool new concealed carry holster that I got. So, this is made by Masstec, and it's, like I said, it's very nice. So, a couple features I want to talk about are these clips, right? They're really nice and thick. These are injection molded clips. They have metal inserts. It's not like there's some, nut on the back that you're going to lose or a nut that's going to fall out. This is literally injection molded insert right into the plastic. And it's very rigid. So overall, the fit and finish is very good. You hear that click? It's not coming out. But yet, over here, your thumb, you get a really good purchase on this with it inside the holster. It's got nice cutaways here, so you can get your hand, right on that. And it's very slim. On this side, there's nothing that's going to cause discomfort. It's smooth, so that's a big plus. It has a cutaway here, so it's optic ready. If you have, this is a Smith & Wesson shield, by the way. If you have one of a shield with an optic, you could run that because they've got the cutaway right here. Overall, this is a great holster. Now, I have worn this, and I typically wear it right about here just because I got a little bit of a gut. So if I put a gun here, and I try to sit down, anything happening, okay? And those of you who are, more my size, you'll understand what I'm saying. So let me talk a little bit about this guy right here. So what is it? So first of all, this jaw basically forces the handle to not stick way out, right? So normally, if you're carrying, which I have to loosen my belt one loop when I carry, and normally I carry with different pants that are actually one size bigger. But, so this fits right in just like that. So, normally this would stick out a little bit. So if you put that claw on, it pushes in and it's more concealed. So right now, you can see it's very, very concealed. Now, if your pants are a little on the tighter side, or you have a gut, this is something I like to do. I like to just literally put this on the outside under the belt. And then, so right there you can see, now this is uber comfortable and it's still very concealable. And you can rotate it around a little bit to be more concealable right there. So, I mean, is it as concealed as inside the waistband? No, but it's very, my belt's really loose right now. So, I mean, it's very quick. It's very well, and also you can change the angle. You can rotate and then lock it down if you want it to be tilted forward, if you want it to be tilted back. And like I said, this clamp here, you'll see, has a short side and a tall side. And it has holes in both. So you can install this, to push this handle closer to you. And then it's less especially if you have a full-size handgun, that sticks out, you'll definitely want to use the clip to keep that close to you. When I carried it, I didn't use the clip, just because I carried it just like this. So I carried it in my belt. And, you know, especially in the wintertime, this is the perfect time to carry, you know, under the belt. Because it's completely concealed in a coat. Even if you have a large gun, you don't have to jam it inside your waistband. And that's just something I like about wintertime, is concealed carrying is so much more comfortable, because I don't care what holster you have, when you're jamming it inside your waistband, it's more about the gun than the holster. So if you have a concealed carry weapon, does it have smooth sights? You know, that's going to be the biggest thing in your in the comfort thing. Now, let's take a look at this holster for a second. This is a sponsored product. I was given this, and I decided to give it a shot. I wore it. I liked it. I liked it a lot. It's definitely one of the most comfortable. And the thing I do like about it is look how small this is. I have an alien gear holster, and we're talking something that's like from here to here, this big. That's a whole lot of holster that you got to jam inside your waistband. This, look how little bit, look how much, that's all you're putting inside your waistband. So it can go a lot more places, you know, where the big, huge hybrid holsters, yes, they might be soft and felt on the inside, but they're huge, right? You know, they're stretched from here all the way around. So that can be cumbersome. These things are small. I actually even put this, in a pocket. And if your coat's on, you know, you're still covered. If you know you're just going to be going out and about, you got maybe a tiny clip there, that's it. But the clip holds so well, you're not gonna lose it. So yeah, and it's easy to get to. So anyways, guys, this is Masstec. It's available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description of this video with a 40% off coupon code. All right, so the coupon code and the link are in the description. And the reason I'm putting the coupon code in the description and not on the screen is because if it ever changes and if it's a different amount, then the video is not accurate. So right now it's 40%. That may change, may go up, may go down. I don't know. But right now it's in the description below, along with a link to their Amazon page. Like I said, guys, this is high quality injection molded clips and their claw system they got here. You've got thermal inserts, adjustable tension. You've got these rubber pieces right here. As you tighten this down, it holds tighter or less. But this is a high quality holster, huge bang for your buck. And this is a brand new company just starting up, and so they have incredible prices. They want to get as many of these into the market as possible. So take advantage of it as soon as possible, because the prices will go up. There's no way these prices are going to stay where they are right now. And like I said, my 40% off coupon, that's kind of an introductory thing. At some point, you know, when they're popular, that will probably go away, and it won't be near as big as 40%. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this holster, put them in the comment section below. I always read and answer the comments. So there you have it, guys. We'll see you later.